Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home appliances. Today, we're diving into the best freezer top open, the Zyerch chest freezer. Whether you need extra storage for bulk food items or you're simply in search of a compact freezer that doesn't take up much space, this model is one to consider. Let's talk about its design. The Zyerch chest freezer offers a sleek, white finish that will blend well in most kitchens or apartments. Its compact size, at just 3.5 cubic feet, is ideal for those who want to freeze a large amount of food without sacrificing too much space. The top open door design makes it easy to access your frozen goods without bending over or struggling to reach the back of the freezer. And the high-quality hinge system means you don't have to worry about the lid slamming shut. It stays in place at any angle between 45 and 85 degrees. Now, let's get into the functionality. This freezer features a manual defrost system, which makes it easy to maintain. It also offers 6 adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to choose the perfect freezing conditions for different types of food, from meats and seafood to ice cream and beverages. With temperatures ranging from -18 degrees Fahrenheit to -46 degrees Fahrenheit, you can be sure that your food will stay frozen and fresh. In terms of storage, the freezer comes with a removable basket, perfect for keeping small items organized and easily accessible. No more digging around to find what you need. And, thanks to the large interior, there's plenty of space for everything from frozen pizzas to bulk meats. Another great feature is its energy efficiency. The Zyerch chest freezer uses a high-performance R600A compressor, which not only saves on electricity but also runs quietly, at a noise level of under 40 decibels. So, whether you have this freezer in your kitchen, garage, or utility room, you won't be disturbed by its operation. The freezer is built to last, with durable materials that offer superior insulation, keeping your food frozen even during power outages. Plus, the tight seal on the lid ensures that cold air stays inside, improving efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient freezer that fits perfectly in small spaces, the Zyerch chest freezer is an excellent choice. It's compact, quiet, energy efficient, and packed with features that make freezing food a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best home appliances.